Hello children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Welcome children, Class 7, Subject Hindi, Lesson 1, Topic Prarthana. Prarthana. It is a Hindi word which means prayer. We all start a new work always with a prayer. Here also children, we are starting our new academic year and this is our new book. So we are starting our work with a small but very energetic prayer. First, let's read the poem. Read it with me children. हे भगवान दया के सागर, करो अच्छे गुणों से हमें बढ़ाकर, पढ़ लिख कर हम विद्या पाके, बड़े होकर हम नाम कमावें। तुमने हमको जन्म दिया है, हम पर यह उपकार किया है, तुम हो अंतर्यामी सबके, परमपिता लोक रक्षक सबके। Now we'll go through the meanings children. हे भगवान दया के सागर, O God, the sea of mercy. Here Bhagwan means God, Daya means mercy and Sagar means sea. Children, God is the sea of mercy. He showers His merciful blessings on us. He forgives the mistakes done by us and He supports us in every hard situations. Next line. करो अच्छे गुणों से हमें बढ़ाकर. Make us to grow up with good qualities. Here, अच्छे means good, gun means qualities. Children, we are growing every day in our life physically and mentally. So we have to pray to God to make us to grow with good qualities and behavior. We should not learn any bad things in our life and we have to lead it in a good way. Next line. पढ़ लिख कर हम विद्या पाकें. By reading and learning, we should get knowledge. पढ़ना means reading. लिखना means learning. Vidya means knowledge. Children are reading and learning from the books, but that is not enough and they have to get extra knowledge also from that. As for example, I'll tell you, we are learning maths, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and everything. But do you know children where and how it is used in our daily life? No. I'll tell you. When we are learning addition, we are learning to use it in our daily life. As when we go to a shop, we buy 2, 3 or more than that things and we have to pay the money to the shopkeeper. So we should know addition at that time. How many things we have bought and what is the cost of the things. We have to take one by one and add each of them and pay it to the shopkeeper. So here we are using the addition that we have learned already. Then after that, when the shopkeeper gives us the balance money, we should need to subtract. Right? When we take back the money from them, we should know what amount of money we have given and what is the money we are getting back from them. That is very, very important. And when we get back the money from them, we have to count. So if we know subtraction only, we will come to know whether the shopkeeper has given us the correct amount or not. Okay children, we'll move on to next line. बड़े होकर हम नाम कमावे. We should earn name and fame when we grow up. Badna means to grow. Naam means name. Kamana means to earn. We are getting knowledge, and through that we should earn name and fame in our life when we grow up. Children, there is only one life for us, and we have to learn many things in that. If you learn it properly and if you take the good knowledge from that, you can surely get name and fame in your life. So we recall the whole paragraph, first paragraph. हे भगवान दया के सागर, करो अच्छे गुणों से हमें बढ़ाकर, पढ़ लिख कर हम विद्या पाके, बड़े होकर हम नाम कमावे. O God, the sea of mercy, help us to grow with good qualities. By reading and learning, we should get knowledge. We should earn name and fame when we grow up. So this is the summary for the first paragraph. We'll move on to the second paragraph. First line. तुमने हमको जन्म दिया है. You have given birth to us. Tum means you. Janm means birth. God has given birth to us. That is, He has given us this precious life. Next line. हम पर यह उपकार किया है. You have done a favor on us. Here, upkar means favor. By giving us birth on this earth, God has done the best favor on us. Next line. तुम हो अंतर्यामी सबके. You are the omniscient of all. Antaryami means omniscient, that is all knowing. God knows everything. God is the one who is omniscient, which means He is the only one who knows everything about everyone. Next line. Param Pita Lok Rakshak Sabke. You are the Supreme Father and the Savior of the whole human community. Param Pita means Supreme Father. Rakshak means Savior. Sabke means of all. God is the Supreme Father of all, and He is the one who saves us from all dangers of our life. He never leaves us for anyone to do bad on us, and He takes care of all the human beings. So we'll recall the second paragraph, children. तुमने हमको जन्म दिया है, हम पर यह उपकार किया है. तुम हो अंतर्यामी सबके, परमपिता लोक रक्षक सबके. You have given birth to us. You have done a favor on us. You are the omniscient of all. You are the Supreme Father and the Savior of the whole community. This is the summary for the second paragraph, children. Now, we'll move on to some practice questions. First one. Find out all the given word meanings in the poem. In each slide, some word meanings are given for you. Find out the word meanings and write it in a paper. Second one. Write the summary of the given poem in English. Third one. What is the motivation you get from this poem? That is, what you have learned from this poem. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.